Hey, I'm Adam, and every day I get the chance to design and build custom solutions for individuals that allow them to fully participate and experience new opportunities for independence.
Hi, I'm Tamara, and every day at Adaptive Design, we create person-centered designs and we involve the community so everyone can contribute, everyone can build, everyone can make a difference.
I'm a special education teacher. My student Lewis has had the opportunity to use a tray that has been made specifically for his wheelchair. His independence and his ability to communicate has been greatly improved because he keeps his communication device right on his tray.